Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about best AI image generator for anime. How to make professional anime art images. Best AI image generator. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, I will be showing you 3 different platforms that are the best, in my opinion, at producing anime style art. Now, these arts are of course produced by AI, and the following platforms are the AI that we will be using. The first one is CR.ai, the second one is HappyAccident.ai, and the last one is called Leonardo.ai. Now, all of this are very capable AI art generator, and let's show you and demonstrate to you their capabilities. So let's start with CR. In CR, it will already show you some models over here, and I could already see one of a good style of anime over here. Now, this is not your typical anime, of course. This is like a manhwa or manga style, but there are still anime styles over here below, as you can see. So, what I want to generate is actually with this style over here. Now, these are models, by the way. Models are basically what the AI will use as a basis for the output. So, if we select this one, any output that is using this model will have the same design or will have the same texture or even the same approach to generating the image, and as you can see. And let's generate this. I would like to use this one. So to use a specific model, you can simply click on generate over here after opening it, and we will be able to be redirected to the generation page over here. You can see. So what you're going to do in this part, as you can see, in this area, this is where you will be able to generate your images. I have used it before, as you can see. Over here on the right side, this is where you will be able to play around with the parameters, the different settings, all of those stuff. As you can see, the parameter right now, the queue is standard, the mode is default, the work permission is public, the model, we are using it right now. There's something called LoRa as well, which I will tackle in a bit. And we have your image settings. You have total quantity of images. Let's select 4. The image mode is high quality. Image size, let's go with 1 by 1. And after that, there's also advanced configurations over here, like negative prop. There's also sampling method, sampling steps, all of those stuff. There's also upscale over here. But after that, you can see over here in the middle, this is where you will be putting your prompt. And we could change this. This is like the default prompt that are provided to us. So let's change this. The prompt is perfect anime illustration, extreme close-up portrait pretty of a pretty girl. Let's change the last part. Let's say eating at Burger King. Then let's simply click on generate over here so that we could generate it. As you can see, it's starting right now. You're going to have to wait for a bit. It depends on the day or the time of day you are generating it, because there are a lot of people using it, of course, and there is something, or there is a queue, as you can see here, meaning you will have to wait for a bit. Right now, as you can see, it's 19%, 50% being generated right now, and let's simply wait for it to finish. Now, you're not limited to the specific model that I have selected. There are more models that you could choose from. As you can see here, there are this type of model over here. You also have this, and there's also videos over here available for you to view. And there's also recommended, or these are like the outputs produced by different users using this AI. So you can see that it is very capable. It has a lot of potential, as you can see here. And for the specific model of anime, there are a lot of different models that you can check out. This is just one of many, but let's see the output. There we go. We have this 4 outputs that we have. It has 4 types over here, and we have another one. Here we go. We have this one, then the next one. Let's check out the next one. There we go. It's a very good anime style. I think you're going to have to improve your prompt for you guys, but for me, this is a very satisfying result. So we could try again, actually, and we could copy our prompt over here, paste it over here. Then let's change this. Woman walking through the beach. Click on enter. And now while waiting for this, we could check out the different models as well over here. We have this anime style model over here. These two are more anime-like than the one we're using. We also have this one, this one. There's a lot of anime models because, of course, people are creating a lot of anime style outputs. You can see here. There are also realistic outputs, as you can see, and all of them has really great outputs. And let's check out our CArt once again. So far, it's producing amazing results. As you can see, all the models that they have, there are a lot of different models that you could play around with. You could choose another type of model instead of the model that I'm using, but I'm going with this one. So let's view our last output over here before we move on to our second one. And there we go. I think this is a better generation than the previous one. As you can see, very nice anime style output that we have over here. Now keep in mind, the more details your prompt has, the more information the AI will have, so the better the output will be. Anyway, after that, let's move on to happy accidents. In happy accidents, the process is very similar. All you need to do is to click on models, and there are anime art style already over here. There are different types of model that you could utilize. So we have it over here on the first part. Simply click that, and now it will have that as the model. Then we could do the same explanation. Let's say a woman walking through the beach. Then you could enter negative prompts if you don't want anything, or let's say ugly, something like that. And you have your number of images to be generated. You have your dimension. You have your inference steps, guidance scale. It has a lot of different settings. But anyway, let's click on generate. Now this has a limit. It has a limit of 200 per month. And there's also a limit in CArt actually, because as you can see, there is something over here that will say estimated cost. I'm not sure where to see our number or our maximum amount of production. It's not really present in our screen right now, but moving on. As you can see here, there's a countdown or a count up of how long our image has been generating, as you can see here. But we're going to wait for it to generate our output. And there we go. We have a very simple animation over here, or anime output. Although the face is a bit funky, so we might want to regenerate it. So let's go with mid for now. Then let's change it. Let's change it to a woman sitting on the beach. And simply click on generate. And you're going to wait for a few seconds once again for it to finish. If you want, you could play around with the general settings over here. You could change the inference step, the guidance scale, even the scene. There's also a control LED over here in image and in painting. Image strike, you could upload a basis for the image that you want to produce. There's also styles over here, like Laura's, and advanced over here, as you can see. And there we go, we have another output over here. Very nice output. Now, we're not really going to stick around with this platform because there isn't really too much to show in this platform. Aside from the gallery, actually. This is our gallery. For the community, let's see the outputs produced by the community. There we go. There are a lot of good outputs, as you can see. Very good style. There we have your anime outputs over here. The better your prop is, the better the output, of course. But as you can see, most of them are anime-like, as you can see here. Now moving on with our last AI generator is Leonardo.ai. Now Leonardo.ai also have the different models. As you can see here, you have your anime over here. You have Photoreal, Dream Shaper, and many more, as you can see here as I move through our different lists over here. And these are the different outputs produced by our different users as well. So let's go and try it out. Let's simply click on image generation over here. And let's select our fine-tune model over here. Let's look for the anime pastel dream. And so what we're going to do is we're going to simply copy the prompt that we did on the other AI generator so that we could have a good comparison. So let's say a woman walking through the beach. And simply click on generate. And it will generate 4 images for us. It also have a different set of outputs over here. It seems like our output is not working properly, so let's change our version over here. Save. Iterate again. There we go. that it has a different version or different sets of settings over here. On the left side, you have your photo reel, prompt magic, alchemy, public images, image dimension, guidance scale. It's very similar, but it's also very different at the same time. I'll leave it up to you on exploring how you could utilize this. But as you can see, this is our output over here. Very nice, as you can see. Let's add a close-up to our prompt over here. Close-up. Generate. And let's see our output. We can't really see or identify whether it's anime-like since the girl is far away. That's why I added the close-up over here so that we could see if we will be able to produce a close-up of our output. And there we go. It has the anime feeling, as you can see here, and we're not really seeing the face, so it's still producing amazing results despite a very half-ass or very basic prompt over here. So let's do it again. A close-up of a woman walking to the beach. Face close-up of a woman. Click on generate. And let's see our last generation for the day so that we could end our video. Let's see what type of output we will be able to get. Now, while waiting, as you can see, as I scroll down, I have been using this AI for a long time. And as you can see, I have produced amazing results over and over again. It never fails to disappoint, or it never fails to amaze me of all the amazing outputs it could produce, especially this one over here. As you can see here, we have your anime close-up of the face over here. It has a lot of details. It's very amazing. And I think Leonardo is the best out of these three that we have produced so far. So therefore, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.